Dear brothers and sisters, during these days, of course of the days, till for a long time, you'll be hearing small extracts from the Sermon on the Mount. These extracts, or what we read in Gospel Prize, is meant to make us think about our own life. For Christ is advising us how to be happy on this earth, how to live in harmony with each other, first in our family, then the neighborhood, and our relatives, society at large. How to live in harmony with each other, with nature and us. And today he talks about one thing which makes us so-called, or doesn't give us peace of mind and leaves us disturbed. Talks about anger. If you reflect for a minute and ask us, why do we get angry at all? There are many reasons you will give. But one of the main reasons I think is this, because we have too many expectations from people. Whether we are in the family, whether we are in the neighborhood, whether we are working with our colleagues, our friends, now we have too many expectations. And if they are not met, then in a way our ego gets hurt. And therefore we get irritated, we blow out that top up, and what happens after that? Again, our mind is disturbed and we don't have peace of mind. So today Jesus asks us to reflect on our anger and what we can do to, in a way, to push that anger away. How we can live healthy life. How, in a way, we can make our offerings, our sacrifices, our rituals, our mass here and prayers more effective, more acceptable to God. And at the end, this tells us, if you come at the altar, it says, to offer sacrifice, to pray. It says, first it says, see whether you have got any anger against anybody. And if you have, it says, and let's go in mind with that person and be reconciled. Let's do that exercise for a minute. We pause for a while. Maybe you can close your eyes and see if there's any person whom I have hurt or who has hurt us, and if you're not yet reconciled with him or her, let's do that exercise and forgive that person, be reconciled, and be at peace, and offer this sacrifice.